How to get director mode GTA 5. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get director's mode in GTA 5. Now, to do this is not hard at all. It's really very simple. I don't see why a lot of people have problems with this, but then at the same time, I do see why a lot of people have a problem with this because it's just not something that that's common. Like, nobody really talks about it much. But anyway, let me just show y'all how to do this. It's not really hard, man. But before I get into this video, could you guys please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out at all. I mean, literally, if it helps you out at all, just give it a simple thumbs up. That will help my channel grow. And the more my channel grow, the more I can provide more content for you guys. So hit that thumbs up button, guys, and subscribe if you like. This is one of the best channels on YouTube when it comes to this game and content stuff. All right, so now let's talk about how to get director mode in GTA 5. It's simple. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the start button real quick, and I'm just gonna go over here to rockstar editor, right? So as you can see here, when I click on rockstar editor, it says director mode right here, but the thing is, it's not showing. Like, I can't go to it, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why. The reason you can't get into director's mode is probably because you're inside of a vehicle, or you're currently on a mission, or you're running from the police. If you're doing any of those three things, then you are not going to be able to get in director's mode. If you want to get inside of director's mode, you have to just be currently just play the game, and don't get in no cars, don't get in no high speeds, and just be walking on the sidewalk or something. Because if you read there, as you can see, if you read that, it tells you right there. But let me just show you what you got to do, basically. I'm not even going to explain it like that. Let me hop out my car, and as you can see, I'm walking, right? All you have to do is be on, just get on the sidewalk or something, and then just click start. And then once you click start, you go over, go over till you see rockstar editor. You go to rockstar editor. You're gonna come down to the director mode. All right, now as you can see, I'm able to get on director's mode because I don't have no police on me. I'm not in any vehicles, and I'm not playing any missions. So therefore, I'm able to get on director's mode. So let me go ahead and click A on that. And if you're on this should work on the PlayStation or the Xbox. It shouldn't matter what console you're on. But as you can see, we're going right into director's mode. All right, now as you can see, the trailer is right here. I'm going to go ahead and pick a character that I want to use. Let me just go to characters here. I'm gonna go to downtown. You can choose any character you want. I think they have like animals and stuff on here as well, but I'm just gonna simply use there they go to animals right here. You got to unlock the animals. It's something you can do to unlock the animals, but I'm just going to use downtown. Let me just use the hooded character. All right, so now that I have my character, director's mode is uploading, it's loading. I'm gonna show you guys what you can do, because this is where you want to go if you want to make like GTA clips and stuff, if you're interested in making movies and stuff like that. As y'all can see, it's currently nighttime on here, so I'm gonna show y'all how to change the if you want it to be daytime and stuff like that. Let me go back because I don't want it to be nighttime. So you just go back to the trailer by pushing down on your D-pad and then going down on your analog stick, and it takes you back to the trailer. Because yeah, I want to change it from nighttime to daytime. So let me see. So I got my character, which is this guy here. We're gonna go to, let's see, settings. Yeah, time of the day. See, we can make it midnight, we can make it dawn. I'm gonna make it morning. I like the morning time. Weather: smog, fog, rain, thunder, clear. I like clear weather. Wanted level, I'm gonna leave that normal. Pedestrians, we gonna put that on a medium, because I don't like a lot of people in my way or a lot of traffic. Because again, if you're making a movie, guys, a GTA movie or some type of split scene or something, you don't want too many people in your way, unless that's the scene that you're shooting. But all right, vehicle density, we're going to do medium. Restricted areas, No restricted areas, we turn that off. Invincibility, we're gonna turn that on because I don't want to die. I don't want my guy to die at all. Flaming bullets. All right, the rest of this stuff is you know, self-explanatory. You guys can put it on whatever you want to put it on. But anyway, I got everything I want, so I hit B, enter director mode right here, and hit enter. And that's how you get inside of director's mode, guys. And let me just show you guys some more stuff while y'all watching this video. So as y'all can see, I'm in director's mode. As you can see, you can start recording your gameplay by hitting down on the D-pad and hitting the A button to start recording. And this is how people be shooting those GTA movies and stuff like that. You know, movies similar to It's Real 85. I know you guys seen those videos, them GTA videos they be making, but I personally think they be using the computer to do all their editing and stuff. But if you're on the game, you just hit down on your D-pad and then hit A to start recording, and you can stop recording. You know, stop recording the same way. But anyway, that is how you do it, guys. So let me see. Let me record a clip and just give you guys an example. Start recording. You walk up to somebody, and let's say I'm making a quick movie.
Just a sec. Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
Hold on,
Could you please repeat what you said?
Nothing. Let's say so as you, oh my God, Siri. But as you can see, guys, the recording time is on the left screen there. It shows everything that you're doing. I can hit this guy. Oh, he got me. So I can record this fight. I can beat him up. Then I can stop recording after I'm done with this clip and just hit down on the D-pad and then just hit A to save recording. And as you can see, it's saving the recording. Pulled out his knife. I should have recorded this too. Okay. See, he can't kill me because I put on the settings. That's why I told you guys to make sure that you save it to where he can't kill you. And you can just record yourself. Dang, he's pretty good with this knife. Hold on. There we go. All right. He's still alive? Goodness. Hold on, man. This dude don't stop. He don't stop. But anyway, you got guns and everything. You could have set it to unlimited ammo as well so that you can never run out of bullets, but I didn't do all that. So, but yeah, guys, hopefully this video was helpful on how to you know, how to get director's mode in GTA 5. It's self-explanatory, really. It's not, you know, it wasn't nothing too hard to do. But it was simple. To go back to the trailer, again, you hit down on the D-pad and then just go down to this little trailer thing right here, and then you can just hit A and shoot all your videos. And once you're done shooting your videos, once you are done like making your clips and stuff, you can go into your let me see, let me exit this, exit story mode. After you shoot all your clips in the movie mode, you could then go into the Rockstar editor and start editing your movie. So let's say, let me hit start, go over here, you know, Rockstar editor, and then you can create new project and stuff like that. That's a whole nother video, but that's how people do it. That's how you make movies and stuff on GTA 5. All right, so again, let me just show y'all this one more time. How to get director mode GTA. You just hit start, you go over to Rockstar editor and just go right here to director's mode. Again, I hope this video was helpful. Y'all be sure to give it a thumbs up, man. I got more videos coming soon for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I will be on the PlayStation 5 console and the new Xbox console, so if y'all want to get gameplay videos on that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We gonna be lit. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video.